If you think aubergine is bland or boring, I'm about to completely change your mind with this simple recipe. Aubergine is naturally high in fiber, antioxidants, and potassium, which are great for heart health. And when we pair this with miso, we're creating something really special for both your taste buds and your gut health. I'm cutting this in half lengthwise and then using my knife to create a crosshatch pattern about 3/4 of the way through. This helps it cook evenly and creates these pockets for the miso to get into. Now let's talk about our star ingredient, organic miso paste. This fermented ingredient isn't just incredibly umami rich, it's also loaded with beneficial probiotics that support your digestive system. Miso contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. I'm using just half a tablespoon here. A little goes a long way with miso, especially if you're watching your sodium intake. I'm diluting this with 2 tablespoons of water to make it more spreadable. You could also use olive oil if you're not doing an oil-free version. Either way works well. Now I'm brushing this all over the scored aubergine halves, making sure to get into all those little crevices. The aubergine is going to absorb all this miso while it roasts. This one simple ingredient will give it a complex, savory flavor. Bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. You want it golden brown on top and properly tender throughout. And it really is that simple. Golden, glossy, and smelling brilliant. The flesh should be completely tender and almost creamy at this point. Now for the finishing touches that make this dish really impressive. I'm sprinkling over some crushed chili flakes. You could also use fresh sliced chili if you prefer. Then a generous sprinkle of sesame seeds for a lovely nutty crunch. Fresh herbs are next. You can use parsley, coriander, or whatever you have in the house. You could even add some sliced spring onions for a bit of sharpness. Any of these add a fresh contrast to that rich umami flavor from the miso. Miso aubergine is not just delicious, but genuinely nourishing too. You've got probiotics for gut health, antioxidants for brain health, fiber for digestion, and plant-based protein all in one brilliant dish. I have been making this a lot recently, pairing it with salads, mushrooms, or extra protein like tofu and tempeh. It's quick to make and really delicious. I hope this video inspires you to try this incredible miso aubergine dish. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe because I post a new video every week, and I will catch you next time. Bye!